Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you what to do if your Instagram account gets shadow banned. So if your Instagram account gets shadow banned, your content may not appear in hashtag searches or reach a broader audience, making it challenging to grow your profile. And to this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to identifying and fixing a shadow ban. Before I proceed, you need to confirm if you are shadow banned. So shadow banning often leads to reduced engagement. So this is how you can check it. You can test hashtag visibility. So post content using a few unique low competition hashtags and ask a non-follower to search for those hashtags and check if your post appears in the results. You can also monitor the engagement, so a sudden drop in likes, comment, and reach might indicate a shadow ban. You can check your account status by going to Settings, Account, and Account Status in Instagram app, and look for any flag posts or guideline violations. So the common reason for shadow bans is that you might violate a community guidelines of Instagram, like such as posting inappropriate or flag content, or you might also overuse certain hashtags using irrelevant, ban, or repetitive hashtag. Or you might also automated activity or excessive liking, commenting, or following using bots or third-party apps, or you might be identified as buying followers or using engagement bots, or maybe you got multiple reports against your account. So to fix a shadow ban, you can just post the activity first, such as stop posting, commenting, or liking for 48 to 72 hours, and this gives Instagram time to reset your account activity. You can also remove violations, so delete the problematic content, review recent posts, and remove anything that may violate Instagram's guidelines. You can also check for hashtags, so avoid banned or irrelevant hashtag and use a fresh mix of hashtag in the future posts. You can also try to switch to a business or creator account by going to your profile, go to settings, go to account center, and switch your profile into professional or vice versa. And this provides analytics to better monitor your reach and engagement. You can also revoke third-party access. You can open settings, security, and apps and websites, and remove unauthorized or suspicious third-party apps connected to your account. You can also report the issue by going to settings, find help in here, this one, and choose to report a problem and explain your situation and request a review of your account. You can also share unique high-quality posts without overloading hashtag or repetitive captions, and engage genuinely with your audience by replying to comments and messages. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.